So this is our QLQ 150-ton injection machine. Now machine is making the buckle with our buckle mold. Now let me tell the details for you about this machine. Look at it's 150 ton. This is to put the pure air material. Look at inside have a pure air material. Okay, so this is the front side. You can see. Now mold is working. Mold is working, and then let me show to you the situation. It's for working. And the time output is about 42 to 45 seconds per mold, because now we didn't connect the cooling system. If you connect the cooling system, the output is about 20 or 25 seconds per mold. So now it's working. It's showing working. Okay, in after several seconds, the production will go out. Look at, we made out already. Okay, now it's open and drop it out already. This production drop out directly, automatically. Okay, now let me take the backside for this machine and show to you the backside situation. Okay, this is the backside. We use the paper for protection, so you cannot see inside situation. When you receive this machine, you can take the, look at it's dropping out again. Okay, in next video I will just take the working situation for this machine more working.